your eyes. All the things you feel my mind. 새로운 만남들은 나를 충전해. Double bump into something. New possibility. 어떤 날 발견할지 뜨근데.
구독, 좋아요, 알림 설정.
Hi guys, I'm Ridam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna watch BTS Jungkook driving moments together, and I hope you guys will enjoy the video. So let's get it.
아, 오늘은 내가 찍는다.
뭐 촬영이야?
예.
아, 촬영은 말이 다르지. Let's go.
야, 이거 어떻게 달래? 가위바위보 해야 되는 거 아니야? 깡깡보 하자, 여기는.
이건 진짜 해야 돼.
자, 먼저 타기 가위바위보.
자, 일로 와. 안 내면 지인 거 가위바위보. 가위바위보.
와, 조수석 바로 갑니다, 여러분. 감사합니다.
자, 안 내면 지인 거
가위바위보. 가위바위보. 가위바위보.
와우! 안녕하세요.
원래 너 빼야 되는.
정아씨입니다. 좋은 아침, 좋은 아침. Like an echo to the door, so
안녕하세요. 운전 잘할 것 같죠? 오른발은 엑셀, 왼발은
What is that?
브레이크. 하지만 양발 운전은 위험합니다.
Good job.
석진 씨. 애매한데. 뭐고?
정국이가 당황하는 사이에 문을 살짝 열어주고.
자, 여러분. 맛있게 드시오.
뭐야? 선물이야?
엄마가 싸주셨어요.
All BTS members are ready for a car journey together, and Taeyong's mom has packed them snacks.
걔가 안 돼요.
그렇지.
Oh, as you guys see, Jungkook Hyung's driving skill is kinda great, right? And he has already obtained his driver license in 2018.
안녕하세요.
원래 너 빼야 되는.
정아씨입니다. 좋은 아침, 좋은 아침.
When I look into your eyes, all the things you feel my mind. 새로운 만남들은 나를 충전해. Double bump into something. New possibility. 어떤 날 발견할지 뜨근데.
8K.
JK로 찍어. 그래, 8K. JK. 뭐 8K요, JK 이제.
여러분 기장입니다. 제 목소리가 잘 들리십니까?
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror and peers.
Oh, one thing that I love about BTS members is they have so much fun when they drive together.
남준이 형 진짜 한 20초 안에 잠들던데? 20초 뒤에.
남준이야? 저기 타면 되나?
다 안 왔어, 팀? 왜 안 와?
자,
As you guys see, BTS are ready to go on trip with their car, and they have already packed and loaded everything.
Okay, let's go.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go
어제 잘 잤어요? 팬트 팀?
아우 잘잤지. 너무 잘 잤네.
기대 씨.
잘 잤어요. 핫팩 딱 들고 가면 괜찮다니까.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight.
아 멋있습니다. 가자. 역시 가족끼리. 그게 있긴 한데. 호비 형 여기 있어요? 여기 삑되는 게. 아, 쟤 운전 많이 미숙한데? 야, 이러면서 나중에 할 때.
Most of the BTS members can drive car, but they always make fun of each other while driving together.
아, 전북이 팔이 안 났어. Let's party. 아, 자.
아씨 죽겠네.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want, and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm flooded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted.
가자, 집에 가자.
오케이, 갑시다.
As you guys see, BTS are heading to home, and I guess Jungkook Hyung will drive now.
There was once.
뭐야? 진영이랑 비영.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed a lot. That's all for today, and I will see you soon.